Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to iron Essentials hoodie. Start by turning the hoodie inside out and setting your iron to low heat with light steam. Lay the hoodie flat on an ironing board and smooth out major wrinkles with your hands. Check pockets and remove any items, then iron slowly from top to bottom using gentle pressure over each area to avoid shine and heat marks. When you reach zippers and drawstrings, zip everything up and use a thin cloth as protection between metal and fabric. Tuck drawstrings into the hood or tape them down so they do not catch or melt under heat. Iron around snaps and hardware, applying light pressure to avoid pressing metal into the fabric. Move the iron continuously to prevent hot spots and check frequently for any fabric discoloration. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical updates and tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable comfort and fewer laundry day hassles. I love keeping a reliable pair on hand while doing chores or ironing. It feels nicer and lasts longer. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Handle the hood and pockets with extra care by laying each section flat and smoothing by hand before applying the iron. Iron the hood from seam to edge to keep its shape and avoid creating new creases. For pockets, press around the opening and use gentle strokes over the lining to remove wrinkles without stretching. If your hoodie has prints or delicate patches, use minimal steam and a pressing cloth for protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.